look and see if I like it better on, no, never mind. Hi y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is Ann and today is a Trendsend day. And I have got 3 bundles here. Trendsend is a styling service where you send them all of your information, what you want, what you need, color preferences, style preferences, if you have something special coming up, anything like that. And I have a new stylist. My stylist is Arlene. Let's see what I have. I'm going to start with this top bundle. All right, on top here is a t-shirt. And this is Michael Starr's, and it is an army green t-shirt. I think I've gotten one of these before. It's your basic t-shirt. It's not particularly soft or anything. It's just a nice t-shirt. Next is, okay, this is cute. Oh, I like this sweater with the short sleeves. It's a nice weight. It's not super thin. Again, this is not super soft. Let me see what it's 100% cotton. Okay, these are Betty seamed trousers, and they are a very wide leg. They have a tie, and these are by Level 99, and they do have a seam in the front. So there's one outfit. Next is, it's got spaghetti straps, and it is a maxi, and it is by Evereve. And it's got the stretch back, the ruffle at the bottom. I'm gonna have to go back and look, but I want to say I got this in like an olive green, but I am pretty sure that I have gotten this before. Okay, and then last, so see, that's 4 things, and then we've got, okay, I've got 8 things. All right, that's cute. This is BB Dakota, and they're calling it a shacket, and it feels like pleather and oatmeal, and it is lined. It's got this detail in the back. Next, this is cute. This is Michael Starr's again, and it's a tank. Armholes look a little big, but we'll see. But it's cute, and it's a stretchy knit. Next, okay, just a little white top. This is by Rowan and Ryan, or Roan and Ryan. I'm not sure how you say the Roan. It is mixed material. Is it? No, forget that. It's interesting. It's got the keyhole on the back, and then cut from the cloth jeans. And these are the Rachel high-rise mom jean. I do not have mom jeans, so let's see how these work. Got a lot of trying on to do, so let me get to that and we'll see what we think. This is outfit number 1. She says, amp up your spring wardrobe in this sleek vegan leather shacket. So it's vegan leather. This stylish layer over a tee or tank will instantly update your look with any bottom or denim. So here is the Michael Starr's olive Lexi tee and the BB Dakota vegan jacket, cut from the cloth jeans, the button high-rise button fly. I'm gonna have to check and see what my button flies are. I don't think I have mom jeans, but I think the jeans are cute. A little bit of gapping going on here. A little tight on me, but the t-shirt's cute. It's just a t-shirt. This jacket, I think I've gotten, this might be my 3rd or 4th shacket. This to me is the cutest one that I've tried on. The others were cute, but just not on me. This one I really like on me. It feels really, really good. Let me give you a close-up of it. And the detail in the back. And it's long in the back, which I do like, but I think this is cute. I think this jacket's really cute. The other two, maybe not. Not the tee, I don't think. But anyway, let me get to outfit number 2. Okay, outfit number 2. This is, I just buttoned the jacket just to give you this look, but underneath it is the NOLA boat neck tee by Michael Stars. And I think I've tried this on before too. Maybe I've been doing this too long or too often or something, but they paired this tee, the boat neck tee, with the same jeans and the shacket. There's a little bit of stressing on these jeans that I didn't talk about, but not very much. So they paired a lot with the jeans. But this is the Cali Ruffle Woven Tee by Roan and Ryan in white. And it's okay. It's not for me. It's a cute little top. Let me show you the detail here and the seam there. It's got the, I couldn't button it myself, so don't pay any attention to that. But anyway, I think it's cute. It's just it's not doing anything for me. So let me get to the next one, or you'll see these jeans again. Okay, this is the Becca square neck pullover by Design History. I'm gonna have to watch it back to see if I like this, because in the mirror I didn't really like it that much. I do like the length of the sleeve. I like a 3/4 or a short sleeve rather than a sleeveless or a whatever the other's called. But it's got this detail at the shoulders, and I feel like I have God-given shoulder pads. I have broad shoulders. So I feel like this just makes me look even more broad. I will have to look back and see, because right now I kind of don't think I do. So anyway, let me go try on the next one. Okay, these, I've got what is this called? The Cali Ruffle Woven Tee by Roan and Ryan, and these are the Betty Seamed Trouser by Level 99. I did not think that I was going to like these pants, but I think I do. I just think they're really cute. I don't have anything like them. I should have tied this in a bow, but I just kind of tied it in a little knot, and it's kind of wonky. But this has the front pockets. I just think it is so cute. I still don't like the top, but that's how she paired it. And I like it. I like the length. I like it with my little sneakers. I just like these pants. So, got one more thing. It's that maxi dress that I think I've tried on before. So, I'll be right back. This is the Eloise dress by Evereve in the color Kangaroo. Now, this is a hard no. This is not flattering on me. This is way too low, too tight, too low, too everything. I don't think it's exactly like the one that I've tried on before. I'm gonna look it up. I'm gonna try to go back and find that video, and I'll post a picture if it's close or the same. But I don't remember it being quite this bad. Yeah, this one, it's just, I do not feel good in this at all, and I need to get it off immediately. So let me go change and be back with a really quick wrap up. Let's start with what I know I am not going to keep, and I've got my iPad here to look at the prices. And so the Lexi Tee in Olive by Michael Stars. I guess somebody used my code because the regular price is $58 and my price is $46.60. So if that's the case, thank you so much, whoever used my code. Not going to keep this, and I think I have an olive. In fact, I know I have an olive tee, but $58 or $46 is too much for that little tee. This is just a 100% no. This is the Eloise dress, and it is $86.40. regularly 108, 86.40. Feels really good. It's really soft, but no. This is the Cali Ruffle Woven Tee by Roan and Ryan. Is 60. My price is $62.40. Regular price $78. $62.40. No. Then this little Nola Ultra Rib Boat Neck Tank by Michael Stars, $68. My price $54.40. No. These are the, oh goodness, the high-rise Rachel with exposed buttons, and by cut from the cloth. The color is effulgent. EFFULGENT. They are regularly $89, $79.20. I went and looked. I do have a pair very, very, very similar. They're by Kinsey, so they're not cut from the cloth, but they're very similar. This I like, but I will, like I said, I'm gonna have to look and see if I like it better on, no, never mind. This is the square neck pullover by Design History, and it is $88. My price $70.40. I don't like it for $70, so no. This I really liked, but let me tell you, it's got a little bit of a off-putting odor to it, which maybe that it would like wear off after a while. I don't know, but now it's not a bad price for this. The Old Town Road Vegan Shacket in Oatmeal by BB Dakota, $89. My price $71.20. That is not bad. This to me is whoops, very slippery. It is worth $71. I would pay that for this. These I absolutely loved, and well, shoot. The Betty Seamed Trouser by Level 99, $148. My price $118.40. Love them. I really, really love them. I'll have to think long and hard. I don't need them, and so for $118, I probably won't keep them, but I do love them. I think they're really cute. I'll look and see what they look like in the video and see if I just can't do without them, but as it is now, I will probably keep that vegan jacket because shacket. But that is it for this Trendsend unboxing. Thanks so much for watching, y'all. I will see you next time. Bye.